Hey guys, so this is a little sneak peek of what my hair looks like at the moment. So I've just washed my hair and stretched it by African threading. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start separating or parting my hair in the middle because I'm going for the gorgeous braid once again. So this is what my part looks like. I didn't do too bad this time. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna go ahead and start working on one side. So you need to separate another line to do your cornrows in the middle of like the parts. Okay, so I'm using this expression here which comes pre-stretched already. It's got like 4 pieces and I'm using 1 piece right now, and you need to make sure that you are building the thickness as you go along the cornrow. Okay, so at the beginning of the cornrow you do like you separate or you use a little bit of hair, and then as you go all the way to the back you keep adding more hair like you're doing like feeding braids. Okay, oh yeah, that no they do me she you want to come fair now you I want to body smoking like a cigarette. Oh baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Marie's beeswax just to lay it on my hair. I did not use any gel in this video, you guys. I just used the Marie wax. So I go ahead and make sure that my hair is well saturated. So if you're dealing with a hair with a falsy texture like mine, you might need to use a little bit more beeswax. Okay, it all depends on your hair texture. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side as well, making sure that all my hair is well saturated and covered with the beeswax so that all my hair is laying flat. I'm just gonna go ahead and start by cornrowing my hair. At the beginning here I am actually doing like feeding braids because my hair is not that thick at the front. Okay, if your hair is thicker you don't need to do this process, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding my hair. Yeah, just like so, making sure that I grab all the hair. Okay, you need to make sure that you're grabbing all the hair, otherwise your hair will be sticking out. My skin is just behaving the way it wants to behave because of the warm weather here in the UK. So yeah, my body is looking much darker, but yeah, I'm not bleaching, you guys. I'm not using any lightening creams, so just for your own information. Okay, I just have a tan, that's all. So I just had to go ahead and finish cornrowing, braiding the hair. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Had to trim off the excess hair that I had, and right now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that everything is laid handsy using the beeswax still. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the same thing to the other side of my head. It was just hot and I had the fan on, but still I was just sweating. Like seriously, it was just serious. The temperatures were like 28-29 degrees. So yeah, flaming hot hair. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you are no one, and I can't wait to see you can't wait.
you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said.
Like, I did not use a lot of hair because I wanted the hair to look more natural, so that's why you see it's not looking so thick. I just wanted it to look more natural. I do know about that hair that is sticking out at the back, so don't come for me once again. I can see that, and I'm not gonna trim it because some people recommend that I trim my hair. I'm not doing that, you guys. I'm just gonna leave it like that, okay? Because I tried to lay it down and it did not cooperate, so ain't my fault. So yeah, I know about the hair, you guys. So I absolutely love this kind of method because it looks absolutely natural. So I'm just pinning down the hair at the back like you see right here. It is absolutely effortless. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Pump It Up spray just to make sure that no hair is sticking out, because with Faux hair some hair might tend to stick out. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my hair scarf and lay my hair down, and I'm just gonna leave it like this for like 15-20 minutes.
Want make you come be my woman, be my woman. Anything you want from me, I no go refuse. Oh, yeah. I just want make you come be my woman, be my woman. And you are the only person that I choose.
I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.